Hello, welcome to Bell 7 Star Soap Making. I have done several kind of soap wrapping, but this time I'm using eco-friendly tissue. Why I choose to use that? Because eco-friendly tissue, if you have it, children, your child, your loved one who goes to work, you prepare the lunch for them, or if you have a young kids, yes, and you prepare the lunch for them, you can purchase eco-friendly tissue, yes, and then you pack tea or a food with it, sandwiches, okay. Sometimes they chocolate cookies, yes. That's why they make it for chocolate cookies. So I use cardboard when I do holidays soap, especially Christmas. Everybody loves Christmas. Yes, there's so many, a lot of design. Yes, we can do on our soap, especially Thanksgiving, Christmas. Yes, our birthday. I use some of the cardboard for that. Especially at the beginning, if you don't want to spend so much money by wrapping your soap, especially if you don't charge a lot, customer doesn't care so much about the consumer, the customer, they don't care so much about your label, about your design. They care for what inside the box, what inside the plastic wraps, or what inside the eco-friendly wrapping papers. Why they care about it? Because they want nice bar to cleanse the body. Because soap, what soap does is only for cleansing. They want their body cleanse. That's why they purchase your soap. Yes, that's why. But the design, yes, if you have a nice design, it's okay. Some of the consumer, some of the customer, they purchase their soap nice, natural, organic soap. I'm packing the carrot soap and aloe vera soap. Therefore, it's 2 orders I'm packing now, and then they're ready for ship. They're ready to go to their destination. Yes, they are ready to go to their destination. So much money. Yes, they don't have to spend so much money, especially the beginners. Yes, when you just start your own business, try to cut some of the expenses. Yeah. Yes, and then by the way, especially turmeric and papaya bars, I use cardboard because some of the cardboard, they're so cute. Yes, they're pretty. Some of them, they have window, and you can see and you can smell the aroma. You can smell the aroma, you can smell the essential oil or the fragrance in case if either one you're using. You can smell them. Yes, some of the customer, before they purchasing the soap, they always try to sniff, yes, to see what kind of smell it is before they purchase it. Yeah, before they purchase it. But my turmeric bars, my papaya bars, some extra, some of them I use the cardboard, yes, for the window for customer to see it, and especially the holidays. Yes, when I make a soap for Christmas or Thanksgiving, especially holidays coming, when the holidays coming, I use the cardboard because some of the soap, the design, you want it for the customer to see the design before they purchase it. But on my healthy sample bars, I really like this paper wrapping especially when I sell them too. When I do go on flea market, yeah, they pack really well and ship very well, and they protect the soap nicely. Okay, and yeah, I love it, and it's a soothing also. Yes, it's very soothing. While I'm doing that, I can put my radio book, especially the book I love very much, and then I choose that time to listen to the radio book, and sometimes put some music and relax my nerves, relax myself. Yes, that's good also. I wrap in carrot soap today. Yes, today is you see the beautiful soap I have on the table. You have aloe vera soap, you have carrot bar, aloe vera bar. That's the one I'm wrapping today to ship to, I think this order is for 2 customers. Yes, for 2 customers. Yes, this order is. Yes, but I said, let me do a short video for you guys, and especially my student who already graduated on my soap making class. Some of them I didn't have chance to show them how to exercise how to do some exercise with their brain and their mind, and using the fingers. Yes, using the fingers, using this scotch tape. Yes, we're using this scotch tape. They have beautiful color scotch tape. You can buy any color you like. Yes, they have some organic also. Yes, they have some scotch tape organic. You can use that. You can purchase that. Yes, to seal the soap. Yes, to seal the soap. Yeah, I figured out, I said this is a nice work I'm doing, and it's good to share. Yes, it's good to share. And the new student, yes, the beginners can have a different idea. While they're selling their soap, they don't have to spend so much money to buy the carton board boxes. At the beginning, they can use anything they have in their house. Okay, yes, they can even use the coffee filter. Yes, to next video I will show you how to pack your soap with the coffee filter. Very pretty, and they have different colors also. Yes, anyway, enjoy the wrapping soap, and give us a feedback. Yes, and tell us how do you feel, if you like what you see, if you like what we're doing in our company, helping the community. Let us know. Hey, FDA not requiring that for you to list the ingredients on the labels. You don't have to. Soap making out there, you don't have to. It's up to you. But Bell 7 Stars soap making, we did. Why? Because some of the customers might have suffered allergy, different kind of allergy, and we wanted they can read the ingredients, and they can see if they're not allergy with one of them. That's why we listed the ingredient on the labels. Yes, that's why we do that. But if you are beginners, you just want to put yourself out there while you're selling your soap and flea market, you don't need to write down all the labels. You just need a nice logo, beautiful logo, with your information. Some soap making out there, they don't want to put their phone number, but you can put your email. You want to buy it again, especially if you don't have a website for them to go, is the best to add your information on the label. Yes, especially lovely logo, lovely design, and yes, and you can print them right there in your house. As a matter of fact, some of them labels I'm using today, the one you see I'm cutting with the scissors, I print them in the office. Yes, I print them in the office. Yes, you can do your research, get some label already made, especially Avery has a lot of pre labels for that. Just get the size you like, and then you will find a nice way to print your labels.